Greetings, this is Karni Zor, and today I want to talk to you about a very special day we are at now, which is the day of the solstice. Here in the North Hemisphere, it's the shortest day of the year and the official beginning of winter. In the Southern Hemisphere, it would be the longest day of the year and the official beginning of summer. But any way you look at it, it's a very crucial timing. Now, during this time, the two parts of Earth are very, very different. The northern part is in extreme darkness and the southern part is in extreme light. It's the opposite exactly on June 21st. But the most amazing thing is that this extreme situation actually creates a unique thing, and that is that planet Earth is now just like a battery, where the plus is very, very plus and the minus is extremely minus, and this creates a whole electrical field going all around planet Earth and creating something very, very special, electrifying, and causative during this time. So this is really, really a time of magic. Now, ancient people recognized this time. It's very interesting to see that till this day, different cultures celebrate their most special holidays during this time. We have Christmas in the Christian world, we have Hanukkah in the Jewish world, which is the holiday of lighting candles in order to allow the light to come into earth at this dark time. But of course, the origins to both these celebrations come from much ancient time, from a time when people on earth were connected to nature, and what they celebrated was the natural frequencies, natural rhythms, and natural powers. So the solstice is an extremely, extremely powerful day. Now, what's the difference between the December solstice and the June solstice? So the December solstice is also a day when planet Earth and the sun create an alignment with the center of the galaxy. So that makes it a very unique day, allowing new knowledge from the center of the galaxy, which is the source of our whole Milky Way galaxy, to enter. And this is time where new knowledge can arrive to our lives. So what is the best thing to do during the solstice? Be quiet, light a candle, allow new knowledge to come in. Just be very, very available to the new things that want to enter the world through our lives at this very, very special day. And I'm reminding you, if you're seeing this video now on YouTube, take a minute and subscribe to me, and also hit the bell button so you will always receive my new forecast and special astrological advice.